hell is in here? No fucking way. Alright guys, so here's the mystery box from Boosted 6 Auto. Shout out to them. I have no idea what's in here. So yeah, he just said, I'm gonna be sending you something and I hope you like it. So I don't even know what's in this box right now. Let's get right into opening it. Alright, moment of truth. The trusty knife. What in the hell is in here? No fucking way. Alright. Before I show you guys what's in this box, me and P, the owner of Boosted 6 Auto, I've known each other for quite a long time, and he's always been there for me. He's always helped me with my build. I don't know where my build would be without him today. And I can't believe he just did that. Holy fuck. Yo, P, you're the fucking man, bro. Holy shit. These are 3-inch titanium downpipes. Holy fucking shit. Can you see this? Wow. Dude. Hold on, I gotta get a cinematic shot of this.
The next day.
Alright guys, so these are the Enkei, I don't know how you pronounce it, I say Enkei RPF1s with the black chrome color, and these are 18 by 9.5 with a plus 38 offset. So I'm gonna be opening this box to show you guys the wheels, and I hope they look as good as they look in the pictures. Let's get right to it. Alright, I used the trusty unboxing knife that I always use to open up the box. So, let's see. Ooh, yeah, I like the packaging. It's all Japanese leathering on it. I don't know if it's imported from Japan or I don't know. And it comes with a sleeve on top. It comes with fair to follow these directions. Warranty, okay. Give a fuck. Comes with a manual. I don't know why you would need a manual for these wheels, but I'll definitely be reading that. And then finally, the wheel itself. Let's see, moment of truth. God damn. And I got the ceramic coating incorporated in this. I don't know what's down. Oh, I think that's a TPMS sensor. Yeah. Yep. Comes with some stickers you put on the inside of the wheel. But damn, these wheels look amazing. Hold on. Let me see if I can tilt this. They're super light too. Damn. Yeah, these wheels are fire. Let me get the scale, see how much they weigh. Alright, so everyone's been having mixed answers when I asked them how much these wheels ended up weighing. I got from ranges of 17 to 20. So I got the scale here. Let's find out. I can show you. I can easily pick it up with one hand. It's a clear indicator it's going to be a super light wheel. Alright. Let's put it on the scale. And it comes out to 17.8 pounds. 17.6. Put it on the scale. Let's turn it around. Okay, so 17 pounds. Well, I think the wheels I have now are like 23. So that's 6 pounds of rotational weight per wheel. So what is that? That's like 24 pounds of weight reduction for rotational weight. That's a lot. These wheels look so sick, and I cannot wait to put the Nittos to pair with these wheels. It's gonna be so sick. I can't wait. Yeah, like I said, super light, 2 fingers. And I still can't believe that P sent me these titanium downpipes. It's like, I can't thank you enough, bro. Like, these are fucking amazing. All right, it's 3 o'clock in the morning. And my boy Dylan here.
4:30.
All right. My boy Dylan's helping me load up the car. Got the daily, got the summer setup. And tomorrow morning, we're gonna be mounting everything and putting it on the Q, swapping it out for the winter tires that are currently on it. Oh shit. Strong man. Which way? No, let's put it the other way. You think we could fit it?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll get back to you guys once we finish this. Alright guys, it's the next morning. Dylan ended up going home after helping me load all the shit into the trunk. I'm about to go pick up my cousin Sergio. He's gonna help drive my Cadillac while I drive the Q, and we're gonna go to the wheel and tire depot to get the wheels and tires mounted onto each other, and then we're gonna swap the winter tire setup that's currently on my Q right now with the summer tire setup. So yeah, once we swap the winter with the summer tire setup, I'm gonna bring my winter tire setup to my storage unit and put it in there. And then I'll probably try to get some cinematic shots of the new setup and then call it a day. So yeah, I'm about a minute away from Sergio's house right now. I'll get back to you once he gets in the V. Alright, this is Sergio's first time driving a Caddy. I'm glad it's his first time with me, you know? Gotta take his Caddy virginity.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah.
It's not bad.
No, it's not, right? Dude, look how much space I got. Well, I mean, you can't really see because of all the shit, but I have 4 tires and then four wheels.
I remember from when I
fits perfectly. So you'll be able to see out the mirrors, but you just won't be seeing behind you. And I still haven't installed those fucking mirrors. But I'll get to it. Yeah, thank you. Start her up, bro. Alright, so I'm gonna jump in the queue and we're gonna go to this spot right now. Alright guys, quick update. I'm kinda in a rush. Good and bad news. The back's cleared perfectly fine because it's just 2 pistons in the back for the big brake caliper, but then for the fronts, I thought the spacers I had would work on these wheels, but the concave of the wheel is preventing it from fitting, so I have to go run to AutoZone and get like 2mm thicker spacer, so like a 10mm spacer. Right now I'm running an 8 on the front, and hopefully it'll be like a perfect clearance, and hopefully I'll still have enough threading to like put the lug nuts back on the wheel, because you know that could be kind of dangerous if you don't have like a full thread on that lug nut. So yeah, the shop that's doing the wheels closes at 6. It's 5:17 now. I'm running to AutoZone. I should be there in like 10 minutes. I'll get back to you guys once I do all this shit, and hopefully everything works out in the end. We'll see, but I'll get back to you guys. Well, AutoZone didn't have my fucking spacer. Whoa, you dickhead. Yo, I just almost ran over somebody. So yeah, AutoZone didn't have the spacers I needed. So I'm just throwing the wheels I've had on the front for now. And I'm gonna order the new spacers from Z1, and then I'm gonna have to wait for them to come in. So hopefully they don't take too long to come in. So today was like a semi-fail, but I got the rears on, so at least you guys can see what it looks like with the rears on. And now I'm just driving back to the shop, and then I gotta go pick up the car. So yeah, it's just a rush. Oh my god. This fucking dickhead, bro. I can't stand people. I really can't. This fucking UPS dickhead. But yeah, let me get back to you guys once I get all this shit out of the way, because it's just in a rush right now. All right. I get better photos and videos once I pick the car up. I gotta go indoors. Damn. Alright guys, it's been one hectic fucking day. I'm in my storage unit now. Got the tires here. Gonna throw them in, and then I gotta go pick up my Q from the shop, and the shop is closed, so it's just on the street right now. Hands are all fucking dirty. Got the wheels in. I'm gonna be using that to probably put on the front wheels, the RPF1s, when the spacers come in, after I order them, because I'm gonna have to order some spacers. I think I'm gonna go with some 10mm. That's about it. So I have 15 minutes. I got here 15 minutes before they closed. Thank God. So let's get out of here, bruh. This is what I had to do, all this bullshit, put on the new wheels in on a day like this. Alright guys, I'm finally back home. I'm exhausted, but I just wanted to show you guys what we're working with right now. So we got the RPF1s in the back with the Nittos. That's what this setup looks like. Still got to put the center cap on, and then we still have the winter setup with the Avid 6s and the Continental winter tires. So yeah, so I ended up having to get a spacer with extended lugs, and also a new hub ring. So I'm gonna put screenshots of those in the end of the video, so you guys can see what I would need to clear the big brakes in the front with the 30 offset for the RPF1s. And yeah, that's pretty much sums up today's video. Super happy with the look. These shits look so fire. And there's still a lot of room for squat in the back. And then this is the other side right here. Alright guys, back in the crib. I got Kato smiling at me. Right? What's up, boy? So yeah, if you guys enjoy the video, like, comment, and subscribe, and tune in next week. I'm gonna hopefully have the front RPF1s in. I'm gonna be trying to break into the 7s with this new wheel setup, lighter wheel setup, and I'm gonna also do a couple other weight reduction shit. And next Tuesday is, hopefully, God willing, the day I get the turbos put in. I don't know how long that's gonna take, but we'll play it by ear. So peace guys, see you next week.